Hi, I'm Jared with Aimco Manufacturing. I'm going to show you a mechanical gripping tool mounted on a Gorbel G-force with our automatic clamp unclamp. To raise and lower the tool, you simply apply a vertical force anywhere on the handle here to go up or down, and then to grip apart, you align the fixed gripper on the back with the edge of the part and press down until it clamps. And then you can lift and take the part anywhere you need it. And then to set it down, you press down on the handlebar until the part is on the floor, and then continue to press down until it unclamps.
Here we have our newly designed Aimco tooling fixture. This is a quick change fixture with a powered option. This is a dual tool option, so normally you'd have one tool sitting here. I'll go ahead and set the other tool up here so I can show you how this works. Now, the ACU will be seated all the way back on our locators. We've got a magnet in here to help keep that in place. That's helpful to keep the tool in line vertically. So make sure that's seated all the way back. The stem of our gripping tool is then seated inside of the tooling plate here. Now to release, twist, push down just like your standard air connections. The only difference is we have 3 connections to seal between our ACU and our end tool for the gripping air that we need. Now this will be mounted to a Gorbel Easy Arm. It'll be compression mounted. This plate will come up to the Easy Arm pedestal, and we'll have a compression plate here in this location. Now keep in mind your vertical height. Ideally you want to keep the height close to where we have it here. It's easy to use, but also at this height it's higher than your working height, and you can set the vertical limit on the G-force. By setting the vertical limit, that helps prevent accidentally pulling up on the fixture with unneeded stress to the fixture itself. So you can pull the tool out and move on to the next tool. So when re-engaging the ACU to the gripping tool, you'll slide the tool into place. The magnet helps keep that seated. We've got a 2-hand clamping function. You press both buttons at the same time. Now we're seated and ready to grip parts with this tool. Thank you for watching. Please visit aimcomfg.com for more product videos.